Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to put location on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to put location on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account, guys. Now in order to put a location on Snapchat story, first I'll be taking a demo story by tapping or clicking a picture on camera by just covering my camera with my hand. So on this interface, after taking your snap, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a bunch of options. You can tap on the third icon or the stickers icon over here, and this interface will appear where you will be able to see all of these stickers. And at the top you can see, guys, there is the mention, sounds, and location. Tap on location and your current location on Snapchat will be available over here, and tap on it, and that way your location will be added on Snapchat. You can see, you can minimize it, maximize it, can place it wherever you like. And with that being said, guys, this is how to put location on Snapchat story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.